Right, first of all, now obviously we've paint stripped them, let's wet and dry them back and get the rest of the excess clear coat off of them and go from there. Right, 240 done. Now we're going to move on to 400, followed by an 800, and then I think we'll go to either 1000 or a 1200, and then we'll see where we go from there. But already it's looking much better. Yeah, let's crack on. Right, after that you're left with rather dull, oh, there we go, let's do that, looking centre cap. So let's see if we can polish this up. Right, so we've been through the 240, the 400, the 800 and a 1200, and it's given us not too bad of it dirty. Which one was it? This one, for argument's sake. Can you see the damage there? So it's eventually I'm going to have to replace these, but for the meantime they'll do the job. And this one came out the best actually, not sure why, but so already starting to, already they're starting to look better. I've got to keep working, it's a slow process.
The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you...
I am finding the more I do this and the more passes you can physically do on these, the better they come out, the more mirrors shine. Try multiple passes. I'm looking at like sort of 5 or 6 passes on each hex nut at the moment, and but they're coming out quite nice.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come?
Right, well there you have it. Lots of patience, lots of time, lots of polishing. These aren't 100%, I know, but they're not going on 100% colourless, shall we say. These are 10 times better than what they were. and I am super happy with the outcome. Just got to find some clear coat to get on them, and then the centre caps can go back in, and we are hunky-dory. So thanks for watching. If you got any value out of any of this, and do give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon.